If you are new to the world of investing, trading, investing in forex trading, it can seem like a challenging and confusing journey. But don't worry, by 10 essential investing tips, you can get started on the road to successful investing as a beginner. Whether you're interested in trading, stock investing, or forex trading, these tips will give you a solid foundation to get started. In this video, I am going to tell you 10 essential investment tips for beginners. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more future updates. So, let's start. Tip number 1. Learn the basics of trading, investing, and forex trading. Before you start investing, it is essential to understand the basics of trading, investing, and forex trading. Take the time to learn about different investment tools, market analysis, risk management, and other important concepts. There are plenty of educational resources, online courses, and books available that can help you build your knowledge. Tip number 2. Set realistic goals. It is important to set realistic goals before you make your first investment. What do you want to achieve with your investments? Do you want to make a short-term profit, or are you more interested in building long-term wealth? By setting clear goals, you can better align your investment strategy with your expectations. The roadmap can be very helpful here because this is a specific route you need to take as a trader to become successful. Tip number 3. Diversify your investments. One of the most important principles in investing is diversification. Spread your investments across different assets, sectors, and markets. This way you reduce your risk and increase your chances of positive returns. For example, consider investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, and forex to diversify your portfolio. Tip number 4. Do thorough research. It is essential to do thorough research before investing. Study the company, the market, historical data, and outlook. If you are interested in forex trading, analyze currency pairs, economic indicators, and world events that may affect the currency market. Making informed decisions based on sound research can increase your chances of success. Tip number 5. Manage your risks. Managing risk is crucial when investing. Set a risk budget and stick to it. Use order types such as stop-loss orders to limit your losses. A good rule of thumb is to never risk more than a certain percentage of your total capital on a single investment. By managing your risk effectively, you can protect your assets from large losses. Tip 6. Consider your investment horizon. When making investment decisions, it is important to consider your investment horizon. Do you plan to make a short-term profit, or are you willing to hold onto your money for a longer period of time? Different investment vehicles are suitable for different investment horizons. Align your investment strategy with the timeline that best suits your goals. Tip 7. Follow a disciplined approach. Successful investing requires discipline. Establish a clear investment plan and follow it consistently. Don't let emotions such as fear and greed influence your decisions. Stay patient and follow your strategy even when the market is volatile. Discipline can make the difference between long-term success and failure. Tip 8. Consider costs and fees. Consider fees and costs when investing. These can affect your returns. Study the fee structure of mutual funds, brokers, and other financial service providers. Compare different options and choose the ones that are most cost-effective so you can keep more of your profits. Tip 9. Stay informed of market developments. The financial markets are constantly changing. Stay on top of market developments, economic news, and events that may affect your investments. Use financial news sources, calendars of economic events, and analysis tools to stay well informed. A good understanding of market conditions can help you make better investment decisions. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more future updates. Thanks for watching.